हे फ्रेंड्स, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आज हम 7 अगस्त के करंट अफेयर्स देखेंगे जो सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगे तो आप वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके पीडीएफ भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का फर्स्ट न्यूज़। A massive explosion rocked which nation's capital city on 4th August 2020? Vietnam, Turkey, Pakistan, Lebanon. So the answer is Lebanon. This massive explosion killed around 137 people and 5,000 plus people were injured. The capital city Beirut has been called as the disaster city. A lot of people are reported to be missing and 5 lakh plus people have been displaced from their homes. The exact cause of the explosion is still unclear, but Lebanon's prime minister said that investigation would focus on an estimated 2,750 metric tons of explosive ammonium nitrate stored at a warehouse. Which Chinese company pulled out as IPL title sponsor? Vivo, Oppo, Xiaomi or Huawei? Answer is Vivo. Vivo had paid around 2,200 crores for a 5-year contract in 2018. The BCCI on Sunday had announced that all the sponsors were being retained, but Vivo was pulled out, following the criticism on social media due to well-known clashes between Indian and Chinese troops in Ladakh in June. Pakistan's new political map includes parts of which Indian states? Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh or Gujarat? So the answer is Gujarat. Pakistan on Tuesday revealed its new political map showing entire Jammu and Kashmir and parts of Gujarat as its territories. Just a reminder, हमारा आर्टिकल 370 was revoked on 5th August 2019. Vaishno Devi Yatra will begin from which date? Answer is August 16th. Which state has decided to set up a snow leopard conservation center? So Uttarakhand CM Trivendra Singh Rawat along with the state forest minister has announced that Uttarakhand is all set up to develop the India's first snow leopard conservation center in Uttarakhashi forests. Going to the next question. Which nation has become the first one in the Arab world to produce nuclear energy? The United Arab Emirates has become the first Gulf nation to produce nuclear energy. Unit 1 of the Abu Dhabi-based Barkha nuclear power plant has become operational since August 4, 2020. Let's move on to the next question. Which nation's former king has exited the country amid serious corruption allegations? Answer is Spain. King Juan Carlos has decided to leave the country amid serious corruption allegations. The once popular king, who is now a scandal-ridden, has left the nation with no indication of where he may have gone. The 82-year-old king's sudden exit has stunned the Spaniards. Let's move to the next question. Which nation has provisionally approved dexamethasone for COVID treatment? Taiwan is the answer. The approval comes as the nation faces a shortfall for the antiviral drug Remdesivir after the United States bought nearly all global supplies. Dexamethasone is a cheap and widely used steroid. Which nation has warned to put TikTok out of business if it is not sold by September 15th? UK, US, India or none of these? India तो नहीं हो सकता because India में TikTok already ban हो चुका है. UK or US? Answer is US. Donald Trump had said on 3rd August 2020 that TikTok will be out of business in the United States if it is not sold to a US firm by September 15th. Now, why did Donald Trump say this? It is because TikTok अपने users का काफ़ी सारा private information like their passwords, email addresses, phone numbers, address books, social networking contacts, GPS and many more information अपने पास store करके रखता है. And on US on the grounds that it is a Chinese ownership makes it a national security threat. On Trump's this statement, TikTok has actually considered to sell its US, Canada, Australia and New Zealand's operation to Microsoft. Now talking about Trump, let's go to our next question. US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order to restrict the use of which visa? Options H-1B, H-1-4, K-3, F-2A. Answer is H-1B. So I'll tell you first about what this visa is. It is a non-immigrant visa that allows US companies to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations that require theoretical and technical expertise. A lot of IT companies इस वीज़ा पे डिपेंड करती है टू हायर हज़ारों लोग from around the world, mostly from India and China. So why did Donald Trump restrict this visa? For a very simple reason: hire Americans.